What's up guys, my name's On and today I'm opening a Charizard Celebrations promo box. Let's go. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, sleeve. I'm gonna put the Charizard straight into the okay, the Charizard straight into the potion sleeve. No. Okay. So I'll take this one out. Okay, here comes the first packet. I hope I get away. Oh. 1, 3. Oh, this is cool. Oh, first edition, cool. Oh, Mew, that's so cool. Ooh, all my cards are so cool. That's the end. It's my first time getting a Mew this time. Oops. I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope I pull away. One, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, guys, I think there's a wear. Oh, guys, this is so good. It's a wear. Let's go. And, oh my God. Wait, oh my God, guys. That's my first time pulling it because it's my first time getting this set. So, yeah. Oh, it's my first time. 1, 2, 3. Guys, I think I see something. Ooh, that's cool. Nice. It's not the bad one. Ooh, this is a cool bird one. Okay, so I hope I pull a where? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. That's cool. It's my first time opening this set. Well, that's a cool card. Oh, that's a cool card also. Okay, here comes to the lucky 2. It's my third time pulling away from the dad. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's very cool. That's also cool. Ooh, a first cool Pikachu. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so this is a very cool card. Okay, here comes for the last pack. Ow. 1, 2, 4. Must start up. I hope I get away. Ooh, that's a very, very cool card, guys. Ah, damn. Make sure to like and subscribe and like the video. Peace.